Pranay and I make fashion and beauty content. So I wasn't making any videos for a long time. I was gone for about, I guess, 3 months. I did make videos before this, but one of the videos I really felt did not match the vibe, so I did not put it up. And the other two are still in progress. It's getting edited and I will put it up soon, I promise. Uh, and anyways, the festive season is here and I thought what better than doing a fashion challenge. So in today's video I decided that I'm going to do a fashion challenge where I pick out 5 types of clothing and I will be making 9 outfits out of it. We'll be following a color scheme of beige and blue. First item is this beautiful royal blue silk sari. The second piece of clothing is this lovely palazzo. The third piece of clothing I used this button-up kurti. So for the fourth piece of item, I have taken a dupatta. I just want to keep another option open because in case that blue doesn't work out. Okay, so for the fifth piece of item, I'm gonna use this halter neck tank top that is kind of not an ethnic element and I wanted to add this as a challenge for myself. Okay, so in today's video, I have a guest with me and she's very dear to me. So without revealing any other facts, let's just bring her here in 3, 2, 1. Yeah! Okay, so for those of you who don't know her, this is my elder sister and she wasn't there with us for a few months and now she's back for the Diwali holidays and I'm feeling very ecstatic. Okay. What? But I am like that. I always say it that way. So, in this video now, what I've planned is basically for each and every outfit, you are going to rate me on 3 criterias. The first is how ethnic it is, since it's a Diwali video, how ethnic it is. The second thing is how pretty or how aesthetic does the entire outfit look. And the third criteria is how wearable it is, because a lot of viewers have this notion that a lot of my clothing is not wearable. So let's decide. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so this is outfit number 1. What do you think about it?
Wow, it does look good. I mean, you actually turned a kurti into a top, which is innovative as usual. And okay, that's a sari, right?
Yeah,
that's
a
mom's
sari.
Yeah, so it's a good combination. I love the color matching and it looks good. I would give
Okay, so wait, okay, so the rating for the first one is how ethnic do you think it is? How much would you rate it out of 10?
Okay, I think I would give it an 8 because
Okay.
you were able to turn something quite modern into an ethnic wear.
Okay. How aesthetic or how pretty do you think the whole outfit is?
Oh, my sister is always pretty.
So cheesy. Okay, how aesthetic do you think this video is?
It is very aesthetic. It is very pleasing. Nothing too awkward, nothing too out of the blue coming at your face or something like that. Looks pretty good.
How much would you rate it?
How much would I rate it? In terms of overall aesthetic look? In terms of aesthetic, I would say give it a 7.
Okay, not bad. Okay, and finally, how wearable do you think this look is? How much would you rate it?
Okay,
How much
in
would you rate
terms of wearable, I would give it an 8 because it's well fashioned. You can, like, whoever can actually carry it off can carry it off. So my sister did a pretty good job and I can see she's pretty comfortable in the entire outfit.
That's actually pretty comfortable. Okay, moving on to outfit number 2. What do you think of this?
It looks beautiful. It looks gorgeous. I mean, I love the color combination. It reminds me of Princess Jasmine actually.
Oh, yeah,
It
it
actually
does.
A nice inspiration, maybe subconscious inspiration.
Yeah,
which you
actually.
weren't aware of. And yeah, so
Deep.
I love that. I love the whole thing. fact that it is netted. It's a dupatta which she has used, which I can see, and that has given a kind of transparent yet it has covered your top. So I would give it a 9 again. And
For how ethnic it is.
for how ethnic it is, because it is pretty ethnic, obviously. It is
Okay.
ethnic. And in terms of pretty, I would say again, I would give it a 9.
Okay.
And in terms of wearability, I would probably give it an 8. Given by the fact that it is a dupatta and not everyone actually carries it
Yeah.
off. But if you can carry it off, I mean, I can say it would look amazing. It would look very pretty. It looks very beautiful.
You know, you can actually take this in Inspo and get a blouse stitched.
Actually, it will look amazing.
Moving on to the next outfit. Okay, so what do you think of this outfit? It's very simple.
Yeah, it is
Very
a very simple kurti, something which anybody could wear, even I could wear.
You can wear all of them, by the way. Anybody can wear all of them.
It's about how comfortable you feel in your clothes. So this is pretty comfortable, and I would give it a 5.
For how ethnic it is.
Yes.
Oh, that's super brutal. Okay.
I can be brutal.
Okay, okay. How pretty do you think it is?
Pretty, I would give it a 6.
Okay. And how
She has
wearable?
I know her capabilities, so come on. Yeah.
Okay. How wearable do you think the outfit actually is?
It is very wearable. I mean, it is a very common kurti palazzo combination, something which you've actually seen people wear. So I would give it a 9.
Moving on to the next outfit. What do you think about this outfit?
Is that a pant that you
Yeah,
wear?
that's a palazzo. So I had to make 9 outfits, okay? So I had to do this.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Recognized it.
yeah, it's
my-
a palazzo.
It was my palazzo.
Majority of the clothing that you see in my video is my mom's and my sister's, because I hardly have any ethnic outfits. And did you see how I abused your Bharatanatyam jewelry?
That's the benefit she gets out of me.
She has so much Bharatanatyam jewelry and I'm using it all. I love it. Okay, so what do you think of this outfit?
You look like Tamanna from Bahubali. It kind of looks like that.
Oh, thank you.
Maybe prettier. I know it's too cheesy, I was just kidding.
Okay, so that's the back of the outfit.
Yeah, so I would say it's very pretty. I mean, like ethnic wise, I would give it a 9 because it is more ethnic than the previous one.
Oh, okay. That's actually very interesting because
Yeah.
I wore a kurti before this and okay. How pretty is this?
Okay, pretty. It is damn pretty as I told. So I would give it a 9.5. I don't give a 10, so 9.5.
Interesting. I think, wow, okay. Okay.
And
Yeah, and how wearable do you think this is?
this is pretty wearable. And
Because I did drape a palazzo.
yeah, you did drape a palazzo. I think if draped well, I would probably give it a 7.
Okay.
Because kurti is easier to wear. This one might be a
That's-
little difficult to pull it off, so I would give it a 7.
Okay. What do you think of this outfit?
Oh,
This is a very simple outfit.
yeah. It's a very simple and beautiful outfit. You look pretty in this.
Thank you.
Okay, so
We kind of cheated in this. We were supposed to use only one dupatta, but you know, I was like, it's okay.
aesthetic first.
Yeah.
Let's just make
Yeah.
it look pretty. Going on to how ethnic it looks, I would give it a 7.
That is actually pretty high, given that none of these elements.
Okay, then I want to give it a 6.
Hey, cheating! Oh.
Yeah, because see, I would give it a 6 because come on, man, it's
Okay.
you get it why I'm saying it's a 6.
How
Pretty.
pretty do you think the outfit is?
I would say you look pretty, so I would give it an 8.
Okay.
It is something which many people could actually wear, and in terms of wearability also I would give it 9.5 because it's very easy to wear.
And the fun fact is that if you just remove the dupatta and the accessories, you can actually go to any other event, you know, like you can just go for a date or, you know, for a casual outing. It's actually great. Okay, moving on to the next outfit. Okay, what do you think of this outfit?
So this outfit looks like a modified version of the previous ones. One of the previous ones. I guess.
It is.
And I would give it a 6
On how ethnic it is.
on how ethnic it is.
Okay.
Because it is a better version of the previous one, so
Hmm.
a little better, and this is how
It's more elevated. For sure.
yeah.
How
And-
pretty do you think it is?
I would give it an 8.
Oh, okay. That's high.
Yeah.
For a brutal market system.
Wearability, I would reduce the wearability a little bit because it's a little difficult to carry this. People who can carry, they know it, but could be a little difficult, so I would give it a 7.
Okay. Not bad. Thank God you didn't become a teacher. Imagine.
I just want to be fair. No, the thing is that if I judge it properly, then the ones which are actually good will turn
Yeah,
out to.
it's true.
It stands out. You can easily
true.
identify.
But she would be a very scary teacher. Very scary. Okay. What do you think of this? This is a tank top, okay? Yeah, I kind of reversed it. You can also use that hack.
I love the color of your tank top.
We actually
It goes
followed
well.
a color scheme for this. Like
Oh.
I used only beiges and,
And
blues.
blues. I love the color and the way it is complementing your sari. But there's one thing which I would like to say. I didn't like the neck piece that you put here. It
Okay.
doesn't go well here. So
Mhm.
that is a small complaint which I would give.
Okay.
The mangtik and all suits well, but not the.
Hmm.
I would give it a 6
Oh.
because it isn't that ethnic as you can see. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, I did have to. It was more of a challenge if I took a tank top as well.
Yeah, it is just trying to create something different. I get it.
Yeah. Okay, so how aesthetic do you think the outfit is?
I would have given it 8 without the neck piece. So with the neck piece, I'm giving her a 7. I can be brutal sometimes.
Okay.
The outfit is actually pretty wearable because it's a tank top. It's just a reverse tank top. So if you're actually trying to wear this, I would probably give it an 8 because it is pretty wearable.
Outfit.
I actually liked it. I liked it. It looks very beautiful. I just have a small complaint with the neck piece. I do not like it.
Okay.
Apart from the neck piece, the rest of the outfit looks beautiful. I love the color combination. It looks beautiful.
The pleated
The
thing in
pleated thing in front. It's basically a palazzo pant, right?
Yeah.
Which is hanging in
front.
front.
I wore it as a dress and put the other
Yeah.
sleeve
So
out.
it looks very pretty. It kind of turns into a ghagra. Not ghagra exactly.
It's like a ball gown.
Ball gown type. So I would give it.
Actually, I don't know why I wore that neck. It actually looks funny.
It does. You know, sometimes you tend to look at something and you think that it actually looks good, but later when you realize or go back through the videos, you're like, why
not
did I
that
even
great.
wear that? What was I thinking? So I would give it a 8.
And how ethnic it looks.
How ethnic it looks.
Oh, it doesn't look that ethnic.
It does look ethnic.
I'm surprised.
It ends up looking ethnic.
Okay.
And in terms of how pretty you look, again, I would give it a 7. A
Okay.
small mistake, and then it catches your eye, and then you can't get out of it.
Okay. How wearable do you think it is?
Wearable could be a little difficult again to wear, probably because it is a palazzo. Very difficult for people to get it also sometimes.
Yeah. Actually, it was. Dude, my butt is just sticking out of that thing.
Yeah. So
I mean, it's comfortable though.
it is, yeah. Probably, if you
Because it's a very stretchy material. But yeah,
it is
no doubt.
little difficult to wear, so I would give it a 7.
Okay, okay. What do you think of this outfit?
Looks pretty. I love the color combination again. I can't stop telling that. And the dupatta has gone very well with the entire outfit. I like the placement of the belt. It kind of cinches your waist and gives you the perfect look that you're going for.
She's learning a lot from. You can tell.
Yeah, that's one way where I've actually got a lot of fashion tips from. So it's
Okay.
from my sister. No, you can't deny it. You can't deny it. Okay. So coming to this, it is very ethnic. A little on a modern side, but pretty ethnic. So I would give it an 8. Next, in terms of how pretty you look, undeniably a 9. I like the attitude with which she's walking and the way she has carried. And the next one is, in terms of wearability, I would probably, it is pretty wearable, so and a 9 again.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Thank you.
I liked it actually.
Okay. This is one of the high rankers. Okay, so these are how the outfits got marked. And there are 2 outfits. Okay, so there are 2 outfits that are tied at the first place right now. And the final winner is something that you are going to pick. And it depends on what you're going to wear to a Diwali party. Okay, so the first outfit is the sari and the dupatta combination, and the other one is the dupatta and the palazzo combination.
So I love both of them, and both of them could be worn at 2 different occasions. Like for instance, the one with the palazzo can be worn to a house party or a puja, whereas the one with the sari could be worn for a wedding or something of a grander
More
sort.
branded.
So for Diwali party, I would prefer the palazzo one. So
Okay.
yeah, the one with the dupatta and the palazzo is what I would go for.
Okay, so the final winner is the dupatta and the palazzo.
But you're forgetting, the actual winner is the dupatta
Yeah.
and the belt.
Yeah, and the dupatta is actually hers. So is the belt, so is the palazzo, and the sari is also my mom's. The only thing that is actually mine is the tank top. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching so far, and thanks to my lovely sister who took so much time and came and got ready. And she actually looks very pretty. Hello. Just look at her. She looks so pretty. Was very surprising. Okay.
Come
So
on, you're not supposed to bash me here.
yeah, my bad. Okay, so I would love to know what outfit would you guys pick. Which outfit was a winner for you guys? Let me know in the comments. I would love to know what you guys think. Also, if you guys have any video suggestions, drop it down in the comments. I would love to know what you guys think, and I would love to do those videos for you guys. Also, if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, this is my Instagram handle. I post more fashion content there on a regular basis, so do follow me, and I promise to be more regular on YouTube. Promise. And I'm going to for sure post my pending videos. Okay, anyways, thank you sister, thanks for joining me, and thank you guys for watching,
So please like, share and subscribe.
and thanks for watching. Bye.